Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how we can add image in Notion. So let's start. It's like really simple. What you want to do is just be in Notion and then just like click plus here and just scroll down below, down, and you're gonna see like image here, right? And you can upload the image or embed the link or from Unsplash. It's like really up to you. Like this one here. And voila, here we have it. You can full screen it, replace it, caption, you can delete it. It's like really up to you, and this is how you can simply do it. You can make it also smaller or whatever. You decrease the size. Then you can also like add not emoji but gallery if you want to. So that's like up to you. And yeah. Thank you very much everybody and have a great day and goodbye.